In a small apartment, Sam sat at his desk, surrounded by piles of crumpled paper and half-finished projects. His mind raced, teetering on the edge of despair and determination. He had always believed that success was within his grasp, but the mounting obstacles and endless challenges made it seem like a distant dream. Sam had moved to the city, hoping to become a renowned architect. He was passionate about designing structures that would inspire and stand the test of time. However, the reality of cutthroat competition and relentless demands had left him feeling lost and overwhelmed. As he stared at the blueprint before him, Sam wondered if he would achieve his goals. One fateful evening, as the city lights flickered like stars, Sam decided to take a walk to clear his mind. He wandered until he found himself in front of an old, ornate building he had never noticed before. A sign above the door read the Library of Solutions. Intrigued, Sam pushed open the heavy door and stepped inside. The library was a labyrinth of towering bookshelves, each filled with ancient tomes and modern manuals. At the center of the room sat an elderly man with a warm smile and wise eyes. "Welcome, young man," the librarian said. "How can I assist you on this fine evening?" Sam hesitated before replying. "I'm struggling to find my way. I want to succeed, but encounter problems I need help solving." The librarian nodded thoughtfully. "Life is full of challenges, but each is an opportunity in disguise. Let me show you something," he said. He led Sam to a secluded corner of the library and handed him a worn, leather-bound book titled The Art of Problem Solving. As Sam flipped through the pages, he discovered stories of great inventors, leaders, and thinkers who had overcome immense obstacles to achieve their dreams. Each story was filled with practical advice and timeless wisdom. One passage caught his eye. Encouraged by the stories, Sam approached his challenges with a new mindset. He returned to his apartment, determined to apply what he had learned. The first step, he realized, was to break down his problems into smaller, manageable tasks. Instead of viewing his projects as insurmountable mountains, he began to see them as a series of steps leading to the summit. Sam also learned the importance of seeking help and collaborating with others. He reached out to his peers and mentors, sharing his ideas and listening to their feedback. This provided him with valuable insights and helped him build a supportive network. Through collaboration, he discovered new perspectives and innovative solutions he had never considered before. One of the most significant lessons Sam learned was the power of perseverance. The stories in the book emphasized that setbacks and failures were an inevitable part of the journey to success. Rather than being discouraged by his mistakes, Sam began to view them as learning opportunities. He kept a journal to reflect on his experiences, noting what worked and what didn't, and constantly adjusted his approach. As weeks turned into months, Sam's efforts began to bear fruit. His designs improved, and he started gaining recognition for his unique approach to architecture. He entered a prestigious competition, presenting a revolutionary concept for a sustainable, community-focused building. His project stood out among hundreds of entries, earning him first place and a coveted internship at a renowned architectural firm. With each success, Sam's confidence grew. He continued to apply the principles he had learned from the library, tackling new challenges with a problem-solving mindset. His journey was far from easy, but he embraced the difficulties as opportunities for growth and innovation. Years later, Sam stood on the stage of a grand auditorium, accepting an award for his contributions to architecture. Looking at the audience, he recalled the fateful night he had stumbled upon the Library of Solutions. The librarian's words echoed in his mind. Success is not the absence of problems, but the ability to find solutions. In his acceptance speech, Sam shared his story, hoping to inspire others to embrace their challenges and persevere in adversity. "We all have dreams," he said, "but our willingness to solve problems and learn from our experiences turns those dreams into reality. Remember, every obstacle is an opportunity in disguise." The audience erupted in applause, moved by Sam's journey and the wisdom he had gained. As he stepped off the stage, he knew his path to success was about achieving his goals and inspiring others to pursue their dreams with courage and determination. Sam's story became a beacon of hope for countless individuals facing their challenges. Through his example, they learned that the key to solving problems and succeeding in life lay within their resilience, creativity, and unwavering belief in their potential. Fixing life problems can be a challenging and complex, as each person's circumstances and challenges are unique. However, there are general steps you can take to help address and overcome life problems. The first step in fixing a life problem is identifying and acknowledging it. This means taking the time to reflect on your situation and pinpoint the issue causing you distress. Once you have identified the problem, the next step is to set realistic and achievable goals to help you address it. This could involve breaking down the problem into smaller, more manageable steps, or creating an action plan. Addressing life problems can be difficult alone, so it's essential to seek support from friends, family, or a professional counselor or therapist. Talking through your issues with a trusted individual can provide insight, guidance, and emotional support. Once you have identified your problem and set your goals, working towards them is essential. This could involve making lifestyle changes, seeking professional help, or learning new skills. Finally, it's essential to stay positive and focused on your goals, even when faced with setbacks or obstacles. Practicing self-care, setting realistic expectations, and celebrating small victories can help you stay motivated and succeed in fixing your life problems. Solving problems increases your resourcefulness. The more problems you solve, the better you get at problem solving. This change in attitude can be very effective. If you start seeing your problems as training exercises intended to make you stronger, you can face your problems with a can-do attitude. You know it will be hard, and you accept it's supposed to be complicated. The weight is supposed to be heavy, and the workout is supposed to be tiring. If it was too easy, it wouldn't help you grow. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.